In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an email list from Hubspot. We're going to walk through the process of removing a list while keeping all of the contacts safe in your CRM. This is really useful when your account starts to get cluttered with old segments, test lists, or campaigns you're no longer using, but you still want to keep the actual contact records and all their data. First, log into your Hubspot account and head to the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. From there, look for the section labeled CRM. In some layouts, it may simply say Contacts or CRM, but you're looking for the area where your customer data lives. Once you're in the CRM section, find and click on Lists. Depending on your Hubspot version or settings, this might also be labeled as Segments, but it serves the same purpose. It's where all of your saved lists of contacts are stored. When you open the Lists or Segments page, you'll see a table of all the lists you've created. Take a moment here to double-check that you're selecting the right list, especially if you have several with similar names. Remember, you're only going to delete the list container itself, not the contacts inside it. Next, move your mouse over the name of the list you want to delete. Don't click it yet, just hover your cursor over the list name. When you hover, you should see a small menu or a few action options appear beside the list name. From those options, look for the one labeled More. Click on More, and a drop-down menu will appear with additional actions you can take on that list. In that drop-down, select Delete. As soon as you click Delete, Hubspot will ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this list. This confirmation step is important because once the list is deleted, you can't restore the list structure itself. The contacts, however, will remain safely in your database and will still appear in other lists, views, and reports where they belong. Read the confirmation message carefully so you're sure you're only deleting the list and not expecting the contacts to be removed. When you're ready, go ahead and confirm the deletion. After that, the list will disappear from your Lists or Segments page, and your CRM will be a little more organized without losing any valuable contact data.